Welcome, little artists, to our magical world of drawing and colouring.
Grab a crayon, grab some paper. Drawing is a fun solver. Lines and colors, shapes and things. See what your imagination brings. Sunshine, yellow, ocean blue. Drawing dolphins just for you. Happy creatures in the sea, splashing, joyful, wild and free. Draw the dolphins, watch them play, so beautiful in every way. Drawing dreams under the waves, dolphin love we can't replace. Strokes and scribbles, smiles so wide. Drawing dolphins side by side. Underwater world they roam. In the sea, it's their home. Draw them jumping, draw them diving. In the water, always thriving. Every color, every line. Dolphin dreams are so divine. Draw the dolphins, watch them play.
Good job! Don't forget to subscribe to see next videos. Bye-bye!
Under the waves, dolphin love we can't replace.